Capacitance can be arranged in two ways. First one is series and second one in parallel. When the capacitance are arranged in series, the picture format is in this way. This is the symbol for capacitance. For example, this is C1, this is C2. When there are two parallel lines, this is the symbol of capacitor. Okay. Now, whenever they are parallel, they are arranged in this way. Okay. This is the parallel combination of the capacitance. Now, how will we calculate? What is the formula for when the capacitors are arranged in the series and when the capacitors are connected in the parallel? So, for the series, we have 1 upon C is equal to 1 over C1 plus 1 upon C2. And for the parallel case, net capacitance is equal to C1 plus C2. This is the case which is reverse of the case which we follow in the resistance. Okay. For example, if I have say that the value of capacitance over here is 2, or I will say it is 3, and I will say here capacitance of C2 is, for example, 6. Okay. Similarly, for example, the value of C1 is 3 and value of C2 is 2. You have to find the net capacitance for both of the cases. Now here we have the formula 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2. That means 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 6. When we take the LCM, we get 6. Now 3 to the 6 plus 1, we get 3 over 6. This is the answer of 1 upon C is equal to 3 over 6. Okay. So, net capacitance in case of series, what we get 1 upon C is equal to 3 over 6. Listen one thing. Our answer is not this. When we cut it, we get 1 over 2. So, we get 1 over C is equal to 1 over 2. So, our answer is what? We compare it. इसको हम उल्टा करेंगे. Then C is equal to 2. And the unit of capacitance is farad. Okay. Similarly here, when we have to find the net capacitance, 3 plus 2 simply 5 farad. So in case of parallel, we simply add. But in case of series, we just make them reverse and then add. Okay. Some more question I am going to explain you. Now for example, there is one more case. C1, C2 and C3. 3 capacitors are connected with each other. And this is the combination of both series and parallel case. So here C1 and C2, they are connected in series, one after other. So the net resultant for C1 and C2 is 1 over C is equal to 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2. Okay. For example, we get the answer C and after that the answer we got here, net capacitance, the picture becomes in this way. And here we got the answer C, which we calculated over here. And this is C3. Now these two are become parallel. So net C becomes, these are in parallel, which is equal to C plus C3. Okay. Now I am going to take one example. For example, C1 is equal to 3, C2 is equal to 6. And for example, C3 is equal to 2. And we have to find the overall net capacitance for this circuit. Okay. Now C1 and C2, they are connected in series. So 1 upon C is equal to 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2, which is equal to 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 6. When we take the LCM, we get 6. This is 2 plus 1, which is 3 by 6. So 1 upon C is equal to 3 by 6, which is equal to 1 by 2. 3 1 the 3, 3 2 the 6. So the value of 1 upon C is 1 by 2. So value of C is 2. Clear? So here the value of C becomes 2. And value of C3 is given 2. Now these are in parallel. So net capacitance is what? We have to add this and this. That is 2 plus 2. What is the answer? 4 farad. I think this is the whole concept of the capacitance when they are combined in series and when they are combined in parallel.